my name is Liz. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today I'll be showing you this look right here, which is basically like a peachy eye look with this burnt orange lip. I love the look. It ended up being very nice and glowy, and I just love this look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so you know the deal. My eyebrows are already done, eyelids already primed. Eyebrows, same as usual, the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. So to get started with our eyes, we're going to take the Tartelette Roasted palette. This palette is just absolutely gorgeous. We're going to start with the color Cashmere here. We're going to start with the color Cashmere, and then we're going to take the color Warmth, which is this one right here, and we're going to put that on top of where we put Cashmere. Now we're taking the color Warmth and we're just going to put that on top of where we put Cashmere. Okay, so after we're done with Warmth, I'm actually going to take this color right here, this color Candle, which is just like a shimmery white-ish, goldish color, if that makes sense. And I'm actually going to take this flat brush right here, it's just a flat brush, and I'm going to spray it with setting spray so that way the color sticks. I'm going to take the same blending brush with a little bit of Warmth on it just to go ahead and blend in so that way everything looks nice and seamless. Okay, for the brow bone, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this color here, Sunrise. I'm just gonna put that right underneath my brow bone. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put on some lashes and a little bit of mascara, and I'll be right back. Now that we have our lashes on, these lashes are the Ardell Wispies, the regular Wispies. I usually go for the Demi Wispies, but something told me to try these out and I love them. I just think they're so cute. They're really nice, flirty. They're dramatic for my eyes, but I think they're still pretty nice. So now we're gonna get started with our foundation. We're gonna pause on the eyes for now and we'll get back to it. So for my primer, I already primed my skin with the Sephora Beauty Amplifier primer, and I'm actually going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I'm in the color 228. Okay, and to cover up these bags here, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Conceal. I'm in the color Light, and I'm going to take this flat brush and just go ahead and put it right there under my eyes. I like to put it in a triangle shape. You'll see what I mean once I put it on there. We're going to take our dry sponge and we're going to go ahead and blend all this in. To set all of what we just highlighted, we're going to take the LA Girl Pro Powder HD Foundation Setting Powder. It's in the shade Banana Yellow. Okay, now to set the rest of the face, we're going to take this fluffy brush that will also brush off whatever excess powder we have left on our face from the setting powder. And then we're just going to take this e.l.f. translucent powder and just go ahead and put that all over the face. And now we're going to take our Too Faced bronzer. It's in the color Medium Deep. For bronzing slash contouring, I usually don't liquid contour. I usually just use a bronzer. I like to use this angled brush. This specific one is from Sephora. It also has a highlighting part to it. But I really like this angled brush. You do the kissing face. But you don't want to go all the way down because then you look like a clown. So you want to just take it kind of like mid halfway right here, just so it gives your face basically a slimmer appearance. And when you do take the bronzer, I just put it in little circular motions just to blend it. You don't want to go all the way down. You also don't want to go too dark. You don't want to look like you have a 5 o'clock shadow. Not cute. Okay, and I'm just going to take a little bit more of that setting powder and basically clean up. Just kind of put a little bit down here. And there we go. Now we're going to take blush. I'm going to use this e.l.f. blush palette. We're going to use this color right here. And I'm going to take this stippling brush and just apply it to the apple of our cheeks and move it upward. Okay, and now before we do the highlight, we're going to just go back into the eyes. We're going to take the color Warmth and the color Cashmere, and we're going to apply those right under here underneath our waterline. We're going to use the Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's just the white one, just to put on the bottom. What I like to do to just darken up the top, the eyelashes, that way if there's any gap it kind of covers, I just take a black eyeliner and basically just put it on my top waterline. Now for my favorite part, which is highlight, of course, I'm going to take the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek. Always takes me forever to say that. Super Shock Cheek in the color Wisp. It's like a goldy color. I'm actually going to take some of the same highlighter and apply it to the brow bone just to make it really pop. I'm going to take some of the Better Than Sex mascara to use my bottom lashes. Don't forget to do your bottom lashes, please. I feel like that just helps out so much, especially when you have the white eyeliner at the bottom. And I almost forgot, of course, we need to highlight our inner tear duct. I'm going to take the same highlight color that we used. A lot of people use their finger. I'm just going to use this small round brush from e.l.f. And then for lips, I'm going to use the Rimmel Lasting Finish Lip Liner in the color Spice. I'm gonna go over it with the Kylie Liquid Lipstick in the color Ginger. Top everything off with spraying our face. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And this is the finished look. It's very glowy, so this is definitely like a glowy look. I am loving this highlight. Look at that. I can't get lost. You'll find me just looking for my highlight. But yeah, so we did the like a peachy eye with a burnt orange lip. I love this lip color so much. I actually have to buy more. I think that was like the very last drops that I've used just now. So yeah, if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. Just go ahead and leave me a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.